Hi students, welcome back to my channel Get in Bio World. If you like my videos, please like करें, share करें और subscribe करें. In our previous video, we already seen about protein. What is protein? Central dogma of the protein. And in central dogma of the protein, we know that how protein is get synthesized. DNA is undergoing transcription process and form the mRNA, and from this mRNA formation of the protein is done by the process of translation. Now we will see what is the process of translation. During the translation process, proteins are made by the ribosomes on the mRNA strand. See, these are the mRNA strand, and on this mRNA strand, with the help of the ribosome, translation process is done. Now this translation process is done by many steps one by one. First of all, activation of the amino acid is necessary. After the activation of the amino acid, transfer of the amino acid to the tRNA. The activated amino acid is transferred to the tRNA. Next, this activated amino acid plus transfer RNA complex initiate the synthesis of protein, and third step is the initiation of synthesis. Now fourth is the elongation of polypeptide chain, and now last one is the chain termination. Now we will see one by one all these steps. Number one, activation of the amino acid. This is the first step of the protein translation, protein formation, and the first step of the translation. Now in nature there are 20 amino acids are present for the formation of the protein. Now from these total 20 proteins, डी आइसोमर्स गेट एलिमिनेट आउट. इसमें से क्या करेंगे, डी आइसोमर्स निकाल देंगे बाहर. ओनली द एल अमाइनो एसिड टेक पार्ट इन द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. The D isomers get eliminate out, and this L amino acid take part in the formation of the protein synthesis. Now this activation of the amino acid takes place by the following reactions. First of all, we take the amino acid, and in presence of the ATP and the activated enzyme, which is called as the amino acid tRNA synthetase. For this amino acid activation, there is one enzyme is present which is called activating enzyme, and it is specific for the specific amino acid, and this activating enzyme is also called as amino acid tRNA synthetase. Now this, after the reaction, is converted into a one complex which is called as amino adenylate synthetase, and E into amino acid. From this ATP, one phosphate is get removed, and this adenosine monophosphate is complex with the activated amino acid, activated enzyme plus amino acid, and form the amino adenylate synthetase. Now inorganic pyrophosphate is get removed from this reaction. Next one is the amino acid is catalyzed by its own specific amino activating enzyme. This amino acid consists of its own activating enzyme. That's why it is called as amino acid tRNA synthesized, and it forms the amino adenylate synthesis, and from this reaction is done under the presence of this ATP, and the amino acid adenosine monophosphate remain binds to the activating enzyme. See, this amino acid adenosyl monophosphate, which is bind to the activating enzyme, which is specific for the only specific amino acid. Understand all of you? So guys, our next step is the transfer of amino acid to the tRNA. Now in first step, amino acid get activated with the help of this specific enzyme and form the amino acid adenylase synthetase. Now in this reaction, transfer of activated amino acid to the tRNA takes place. Now inside the cell, different types of the tRNAs are present. Almost 100 types are present, and this transfer of the activated amino acid to the tRNA is also a specific, means a specific amino acid require the specific tRNA for the binding purpose. Now tRNA is named for after the amino acid for which it is I-specific. See example, transfer RNA for amino acid. Means amino acid isoleucine is present. That's why for this isoleucine amino acid, specific tRNA is present, which consists of the tRNA which is labeled as a ILU, isoleucine. Means a specific amino acid is only bind to the specific tRNA. Specific valine amino acid is only bind to the tRNA valine. Understand all of you? Now how they get bind to activated amino acid. Now next one is the amino acid adenylate synthetase is formed in the activation of the amino acid reaction. Now it is bind the tRNA and form the amino acid tRNA structure and release the adenosine monophosphate from the amino acid adenylate synthetase. From this reaction, adenosine monophosphate is get removed and the activated amino acid is also get removed, which is specific for the amino acid, and this only amino acid which is bind to the tRNA and form the amino acid tRNA, means specific RNA for the specific amino acid. Understand? Now the function of this transfer of amino acid to the tRNA is the bringing the specific amino acid and tRNA together. Means जो specific amino acid है और उसी का specific tRNA है, उसको क्या करता है, वो together लाता है. Specific amino acid and specific tRNA get together. Means isoleucine जो specific है उसी का specific tRNA दोनों कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ